Today we're going to talk about creating your own title block. The first thing we'll want to do is make sure that we have the documentation project active. Then we're going to go to the big I, New. We're going to select the standard IDW template, Create. Go up to Sheet 1, right click, Edit Sheet, and change it from size D to size A. A is the 8.5 by 11 sheets that we'll use. And go up to ANSI Large under Sheet 1 and right click Delete. Go to the Manage tab, and on the Define panel you'll see the title block. And you'll be put into a sketch mode. So here we want to create the blocks themselves. So we're going to make this one 2.5 by 1. And then we're going to make two additional ones that are, let's say, 4.5 by 0.5. And another one below it. Then we're going to make another one over here, which is about 3.25 by 1/2. That'll work. Let's try that again. 3.25 by 1/2. Okay. Then we're going to make a slightly smaller one here. Let's make that 0.6 by 1/2. And then we'll finish up by filling in this last corner. Right click OK. Okay. Now we want to put some text in there. So in the upper left corner here, I'm going to click here and in all caps write assignment name. And text again. This is going to be part name. Actually, I'm going to reverse those. Let me see if I can move this guy. Let me just delete this guy, and we're going to make the text here. This will be part name. Text again for assignment name. Text again right here for drawn by. Here, this is going to be the period, so we'll just write PER. And finally here, we'll write date. Now we want to be prompted when we start this drawing for to put the name in. So we're going to again use the text tool. We're going to put it right here. And then this drop down we're going to put prompted entry. And then inside these two angle brackets we're going to put enter. Actually we'll just write part name. And back to text, click here, prompted entry, assignment name, and text, drawn by, and I think I made a mistake there. That I didn't select prompted entry, so we'll have drawn by, and again back to text, prompted entry. This is going to be period. One more time for the date. Prompted entry, Okay. Finally, we're going to put an image right here in this left part. And I have an image ready. Just ignore this. Right click, done escape, and then you can move this guy around and maybe make it a little smaller so it'll fit in there. Still a little too big. Leave it at that. Conceivably put it in the middle. And we'll finish the sketch. It's going to ask us for a name. I'm going to put Sloth 1. I'm going to save it. And for some reason everything disappears, so I'm going to go up to the drawing resources and then title blocks and then double click on Sloth 1 and then hit cancel and it will appear again. So we've completed our title block. What we need to do now is save it in a specific way as a template. So big I, hover over save as, save copy as template. I'm going to call it Sloth 1. And there we have it. Okay, now let's make a new drawing to make sure everything works. And we're going to select Sloth 1, create. We're being prompted as expected, so I'm just going to write my part, my assignment, me, period is, let's say 5, and the date is 3/20/17, and that information is populated down here, and then we're ready to go.